1. I present to you the currently listed 1966 Ford Mustang for sale at $7,000. This car, equipped with an automatic transmission, black exterior, and black interior, represents an attractive offer. Powered by a rebuilt 302 engine using aluminum heads, a roller cam, and rockers, this Mustang promises reliable performance. The 8.8 rear end with 4.10 gears and the AOD transmission with a worn-over drive complement the characteristics of this car. The seller emphasizes that the car is fully paid off, and a new floor has been installed, which is a positive aspect for the future owner. Additional enhancements include a Bluetooth stereo system and retrofitted 6x9 rear speakers for added acoustic comfort. Wiring for connecting a subwoofer has also been installed. This 1966 Ford Mustang is an excellent blend of style, performance, and additional upgrades, making it an accessible option for those seeking a classic car with modern elements. 2. Allow me to introduce to you the 1978 Ford F150, currently available for sale at $6,500. This vehicle has traveled 19,312 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features an original short bed that has not been shortened. The two-wheel drive truck, powered by a 302 to 5.0 V8, offers unique opportunities. Despite its age, this F150 demonstrates good preservation, although there is some rust in certain areas that has not, however, led to body rust. The interior is in decent condition, though some attention will be needed for the door panels. The car has a clean Idaho title, is in working condition, and runs but requires minor tuning and maintenance to be road ready. The seller notes that this could be an excellent restoration project or even the foundation for creating a patina-style vehicle. This F150 presents a unique opportunity to breathe new life into a classic car, whether through a restoration in the original style or the creation of a distinctive patina look. 3. Currently offered for sale at $9,000, the 1976 Jeep Gladiator is a unique opportunity for those seeking a powerful and stylish off-road vehicle. With 81,000 miles on the odometer and a manual transmission, this Gladiator boasts a great exterior and interior, creating an impressive appearance. Equipped with a 258 engine with a 4-barrel intake, fuel injection, HEI ignition system, rally exhaust manifolds, new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, and a 40-gallon fuel tank, this Jeep has been enhanced for performance. Features such as Chevrolet seats, roller-coated body, repaint, Rhino liner, tachometer, high jack, air compressor, stereo amplifier, and other options make this Gladiator incredibly functional and comfortable. The T18 transmission, manual hub lockers, low gear in the transfer case, and nearly completed front Dana 40 axles make this off-road vehicle reliable and adventure-ready. The owner notes that cosmetic restoration work is nearly complete. This 1976 Jeep Gladiator represents a unique combination of style, power, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for off-road enthusiasts ready for new adventures. 4. I present to you the 1972 Chevrolet Malibu, currently listed for sale at $8,500. This car, with an automatic transmission, red exterior, and no interior, offers a unique opportunity for those seeking a project for a full restoration. This 1972 Chevelle SS is equipped with a 400 small block that previously ran well but is currently non-operational. The automatic transmission, possibly a 350, requires restoration. The car comes with front disc brakes, and the glass, except for the cracked windshield, is in good condition. However, for a complete restoration, this Malibu requires significant effort. The roof and floor have worn out and need replacement. The seller provides 2 rear wings and an SS hood replica, which could be useful for the future owner. This 1972 Chevelle SS project provides an opportunity to restore and bring to life a classic car. While work is needed, the availability of parts and replicas makes this car appealing for those looking to recreate a legend. 5. I present to you the 1978 Chevrolet Nova Custom, currently available for purchase at $7,000. This car, with 113,000 miles, an automatic transmission, brown exterior and brown interior, is an excellent opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. The 1978 Chevy Nova Custom is equipped with a 305 V8 and is a factory car with air conditioning, power brakes, and power steering. The car has a clean title and no significant damages or issues. The owner notes that everything on the car, including the radio and heating, functions properly. This Nova Custom has undergone front-end upgrades, with a replacement of the front end with that of a 1969 Nova, but all original parts have been preserved. The seller is willing to provide all original parts upon the buyer's request. The owner expresses a desire to preserve this car, but due to an excess of projects, has decided to sell or trade it for another project. The 1978 Chevrolet Nova Custom offers a unique opportunity for those seeking a classic car with character and potential. The option to restore original parts or complete the modernization makes this car appealing to collectors and enthusiasts. 6. Currently available for purchase at $15,000. The 1963 GMC 1500 is a unique opportunity for those seeking a stylish and powerful vehicle with character. This truck, with a mileage of 20,000 miles, a manual transmission, turquoise exterior and gray interior, is an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts. The 1963 GMC 1500 is equipped with a 283 V8 engine that runs excellently and a 4-speed manual transmission. The vehicle boasts unique features such as a shortened roof, 4-inch top chop, a 3-inch front drop, and a 5-inch rear drop. It also features front disc brakes and 20x9 wheels in the front and 20x10 wheels in the rear with 2-inch rear spacer hubs. The owner has implemented several updates, including new tinting, a ticketed steering wheel, carpeting, a carburetor, wheels and tires, spark plugs, cap and rotor, aluminum radiator, and a replacement of all fluids. The car also comes with new items like 2-inch rear spacer hubs and nuts. This GMC 1500 is a true hot rod cruiser with a stunning exterior and numerous new details. With minor details requiring completion, it's an excellent choice for those looking for a unique car with character for cruising and shows. 7. Introducing the 1966 Chevrolet Impala, currently available for purchase at $10,000. This Impala Super Sport convertible, featuring an automatic transmission, burgundy exterior, and white interior, is an excellent project for those dreaming of creating their perfect car. The car is equipped with a 396 big block engine and a turbo 400 transmission, both taken from another 1966 Impala that was operational when they were extracted. The engine has not been started since its installation in this car in 2020. The body of the car is very straight, although there is rust in the trunk and the lower part of the rear fenders. The car has been stored for over 25 years. Numerous additional spare parts come with it. This Impala is the perfect opportunity for someone ready to bring their dream to life by creating their ideal car. Despite needing some restoration work, this car promises to be a project with history and character, ready to embrace a new life in the hands of a skilled owner. 8. Introducing the 1972 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, available for purchase at $9,900. This car, with a mileage of 185,000 miles, an automatic transmission, green exterior, and beige interior, presents a unique opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts of classic cars. The 1972 Mercedes SL 350 is one of the first 1,500 cars ever produced. In fact, it was manufactured in 1971, despite the official model year being designated as 1972. This early production year can be identified in the VIN number. The seller notes that he lacks sufficient time and space to continue the project and is seeking a long-term owner for this special car. The car's condition is assessed as average, and the seller honestly provides a disclaimer that the car is currently non-operational due to a rapid battery discharge. Despite some challenges, this Mercedes-Benz 300 SL represents a project with history and potential, awaiting its long-term owner ready to revive and bring back to life this unique automobile. 9. Currently available for sale, 1980 Pontiac Trans Am for $18,500. This is a unique opportunity for collectors and fans of classic cars. This Trans Am, with a mileage of 178,000 miles, automatic transmission, white exterior, and gray interior, is a clean and well-maintained driver with a clear title, free from serious damages or issues. Equipped with a 301 turbo 4.9 liters V8 engine, automatic transmission, and T-tops, this collectible Pontiac offers good tires, beautiful paint, and original door decals. The owner has installed a Flowmaster exhaust system and outfitted the car with Recaro seats, power windows, central locking, an adjustable steering wheel, and other options. This Trans Am is a clean, turnkey car that starts and runs excellently. It possesses character and dynamics without being sluggish. While the interior is not original, the owner provides photos for reference. The car is a low-number collector's edition, underwent a complete rehabilitation in 2007, and has since covered approximately 80,000 miles. This 1980 Pontiac Trans Am is not only a beautiful and iconic car, but also a lucrative offer ready for a new home. 10. Introducing the 1955 Oldsmobile 88, currently available for purchase at $45,000. This car, with an automatic transmission, beige exterior, and interior, is in excellent condition and comes with several enhancements that make it even more appealing. While this Oldsmobile 88 is not 100% original due to some modifications and improvements, it is still in exceptional condition. The coral and shell beige paint shines, the chrome details are bright, and the interior looks captivating. The owner emphasizes that all rubber seals and tires are new, and there has been extensive restoration, including the replacement of parts with new old stock wherever possible. This car requires no additional investment. Just turn the key and enjoy the ride to the next elegance competition or exhibition, where it will undoubtedly win again. The 1955 Oldsmobile Super 88 has been modified with a powerful Power Master generator and a dual exhaust system, giving it even more character and performance. This car is not only beautiful, but also boasts numerous Best of Show trophies and is likely one of the most exquisite cars on the market. Original documents such as the invoice, owner's identity certificate, owner's manual, and promotional materials come with the car, adding to its collector's status.